In the rolling grassland and sagebrush hills of Wyoming and Montana, a new pipeline is helping reduce carbon in the atmosphere. Denbury Resources Greencore Pipeline transports carbon dioxide 232 miles from a gas plant in central Wyoming to the Bell Creek field in southern Montana. CO2 is injected into the oil fields as part of a process called enhanced oil recovery, which both sequesters carbon underground and allows more oil to be extracted from the reservoirs. Before the pipeline could be built, however, the National Environmental Policy Act required environmental reviews and permitting because the pipeline crosses public land administered by the BLM. Denbury hired SWCA Environmental Consultants to provide a suite of services such as regulatory agency consultation, natural and cultural resources permitting, and surveying and reporting for threatened and endangered species. SWCA biologists surveyed for burrowing owls, tree-nesting raptors, mountain plovers, and prairie dogs, as well as wetlands, water bodies, rare plants, and noxious weeds. In addition to conducting pre-construction excavations at 2 prehistoric archaeological sites, SWCA's cultural resource experts monitored the site to ensure that pipeline construction would avoid areas with important cultural artifacts. SWCA crews also performed data recovery excavations after pipeline construction was completed. During construction, environmental inspectors processed more than 650 variance requests, including the addition of workspace, access roads, pipe yards, staging areas, etc. Experienced inspectors managing and processing these variance requests helped meet a tight project timeline. We conducted field surveys on the fly and obtained prompt approvals from the BLM so that the contractor could use those variance areas during construction without costly delays. We also created probability models to identify where buried cultural material was most likely to be found, using a combination of known archaeological site information, soils and stream data, and aerial imagery. SWCA and the BLM worked together to focus the areas requiring monitoring during grading operations in a systematic manner. During construction, our cultural monitors discovered or updated 37 sites, many of which required additional subsurface testing to evaluate the potential for significant deposits. We employed a ranking strategy to focus our efforts on those sites that would benefit the most from post-construction excavations. These models helped us identify an array of high-priority sites requiring further work. The Greencore Pipeline is already a success, with Bell Creek oil production nearly doubling from 2013 to 2014 as a result of CO2 injection. The project has laid a successful foundation for Denbury's enhanced oil recovery infrastructure and is a win-win effort to keep CO2 out of the atmosphere while allowing important domestic oil and gas production to continue.